Welcome to my Nanjil Chemistry YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain close packing in crystals. Let us consider packing of fruits for display in fruit stalls. They are closed packed like that of packing of atom, ion or molecule in crystal by treating them as hard sphere. Packing of cubic crystal in 3 dimension. Packing of cubic crystal in 3 dimension. That is 3 dimension in 3 steps. First one, particles or spheres, arrange them in row, that is touching to each other. 1D, particles, that is here it is considered as spheres, arrange them in row. It is arranged them in row in 1 dimension. That is each sphere touching to each other. Here one sphere is contact with 2 other sphere. That is known as coordination number. So what is coordination number? The number of close neighbors. Here it is spheres. Here the coordination number is 2. So coordination number is 2. 1D. 2 dimension. So in 2 dimension, second row exactly, this is the second row exactly above the first row. First row spheres of these 2 rows are exactly aligned vertically and horizontally. The second row is aligned vertically and horizontally. Here this is the central one. So this type is AA. Why it is named as AA means this layer is same as that of this layer. Also this is also same. So AA type, the central one is surrounded by 4 other. This is 2. This is 2. These are not touching to the spheres. Here this is the central sphere. It is touched by 1 above, 1 below, 1 left side, 1 right side. So totally 4. So coordination number is 4. This type of square packing is known as 2D square close packing. 2D square close packing, that is SCP. 2D, 2 dimensional square close packing. In another way, the second row, that is second row is placed the second row is placed first staggered, that is the second row is in the depression of the first row. The second row is in the depression of the first row. So this is entirely different from this one. So this type of arrangement is known as AB arrangement. AB arrangement. Where the second row is there, the second row is in the depression. That is just, it is staggered manner. This arrangement is just staggered. The second row comes in the depression of the first row. So this type is known as, here this, if you consider anyone, this one, consider this one, it is surrounded by this one, this one, this one, this one, this. That is, here it is surrounded by 2. This 2, this 2, this 2. So the coordination number is 6. So the first one coordination number 4. Here the coordination number is 6, called 2D HCP. That is 2D hexagonal close packed. 2D hexagonal close packed. That is, it contains 2 triangular void. 2 type of triangular void. So here it is 1 type of triangular void. So 1 type of triangular void is a 2 type of triangular void like this. So what is the difference mean? Here the apex is in the bottom, here the apex is in the top. So just see it. Here are also 1 triangular void. Here also 1 triangular void. What is the difference between these two? Here the apex, that is the top position in the bottom. This type of arrangement. Here it is opposite. There is one pointing upward and one pointing downward. One pointing upward and one pointing downward. Close packing. That is 3D close packing from 3D close packing done in two ways. 3D close packing from 2D square close packed layer. 2D square close packed layer. That is from 2D hexagonal close packed layer. So this from the two dimension to form two type of layers. One is square planar, square close packing or square close packed layer. Here it is hexagonal close packed layer. From this the type of void and the type of crystal structure is formed. That is the first one, 3D close packing from 2D square close packing layer. Second close packed layer above the first aligned perfect vertically and horizontally, simple cubic structure is formed. Simple cubic structure. Here the first square close packed layer. This is second square close packed layer. The second close packed layer is kept above the first. Here second close packed, second is kept over the first. They are aligned perfectly vertically and horizontally. Aligned each other same vertically and horizontally. So here the coordination number is 8. So this type of arrangement is known as simple cubic. Simple cubic means that is primitive. That is atom only in the corner. 3D from 2D HCP. 3D from 2D HCP. So this is one HCP. This is one HCP. That is 2D layer. So this one is placed another. That is in the depression. Here 2D HCP layer A, similar layer in the depression of B, aligned perfectly, a triangular void is formed. Triangular void of first is not covered by second. The triangular void. This is the one triangular void. This is the another triangular void. So here one triangular void. Here also one triangular void. These two are not covered by, that is the tetrahedral void is formed. So here one tetrahedral void is formed. How the tetrahedral? The first layer containing the triangular void is not covered by the second layer. So here the triangular void is here. Here the triangular void is here. So here this triangular void is touches by 4. Here bottom 3, above 1, 4. That type of void is known as tetrahedral void. Then other place, there is this place. Other place, the triangular void of second layer above the triangular void of first layer do not overlap. So here one triangular void. The back side also one triangular void is there. Here one triangular void. Here one triangular void is there. These two are do not overlap. That is, here we see, here one triangular void is formed. This is the apex is in the bottom. Here the one triangular void, the apex is in the top. This type of the second layer, the apex in the bottom. The first layer in the top. Here the two are not overlap. Here the two are not overlap. Here the two are not covered. That is the difference. Here it is not covered. Here it is not overlap. That is, here one tetrahedral, one triangular void is formed. is not covered by other. Here the triangular void of 1 is not overlap with the, here one triangular void, backside also one triangular void is there. So these two are not overlap. So this type of void is known as octahedral void. This type of void is known as octahedral void. So by placing second layer over first layer, 2D hexagonal close packing, two type of void is there. So the two type of void is, one is known as tetrahedral void, another one is known as octahedral void. So these two voids are formed from 2D. Here one important point here is, that is very important, number of close packed sphere is n. The number of close packed sphere is n. Octahedral void is n. Tetrahedral void is 2n. That is very important. The number of octahedral void is n. The tetrahedral void is 2n. The second 3D close packing, another category. So one is 3D close packing from 2D square close packed layer. Other one is 3D from 2D hexagonal close packed. That is placing third layer over second. By placing third layer over second. Here third layer over second. So the tetrahedral void of second layer covered by third layer. The tetrahedral void of second layer covered by third layer. So here the pattern is A, B, A. That is first layer and third layer are similar. First layer and third layer are similar. The pattern is A, B, A. This type of structure is known as hexagonal close packed structure, HCP. That is 3 dimension. This is very important. This is 3 dimension. The previous one is 2 dimension. We need 3 dimension only. So the 3 dimensional structure is, packing is arrived from 2 dimension. So this type of packing is known as hexagonal close packing. Example, magnesium and zinc. So here once again, the third layer, placing third layer over second layer. That is tetrahedral void of second layer is covered by third layer. Tetrahedral void of second. That is here one tetrahedral void is formed. Here 3, bottom one is covered by third layer. So the pattern is, what is the pattern, students? A, the first one is similar to third one. So second one is different. A, B, A pattern. This type of close packing is known as HCP, hexagonal close packing. Example, magnesium and zinc. Then the another category, the first one is covering tetrahedral void. Here it is covering octahedral void. That is third layer over second spheres covers by octahedral void. Third layer over second layer spheres cover the octahedral void. Here the important one is, it cover the tetrahedral void. Here it is octahedral void. That is the third not aligned, either the third one is not aligned either second or first, but it is aligned with the fourth one. So this type of pattern is known as A, B, C, A. Fourth one repeating. So the structure is hexagonal close packed. Here it is covering octahedral void. So the pattern is A, B, C, A. So example, copper and silver. So the structure is known as cubic close packed. In 3 dimension. Example, copper and silver, both HCP and CCP. Other name is FCC. Coordination number is 12. That is important. Both HCP and CCP. CCP is also known as FCC. The coordination number is 12. Shortly it is explained. 1D, that is coordination number 2. The particle arrange them in rows. That is from the 1D, 2D is obtained. So 2D we get AA type, one layer over other, AA type, coordination number 4, square close packing. That is in the depression, that is staggered. The second layer goes to the depression. Coordination number 6, that is important. Coordination number 6 called 2D hexagonal close packing. Here void, empty space, a triangular void is formed. What is the different? Two type of triangular void. One layer apex upward, another layer apex downward. Then 3D close packing. So 3D close packing from 2D. So in the 2D there are two types, SCP square close packing and hexagonal close packing. That is square close packing, one layer over other, simple cubic is formed. Simple cubic, coordination number 8. Then 3D from 2D, two dimensional hexagonal close packed layer. That is placing second layer over first. Two type of void is formed. Two type of void. That is one tetrahedral void, another one is octahedral void. One tetrahedral void, another one octahedral void. The tetrahedral void is double than octahedral void. Then 3D from 2D HCP, placing third layer over second, covering tetrahedral void. That is very very important. Tetrahedral void, AB pattern is formed. That is hexagonal close packed HCP. Example, magnesium zinc. Coordination number 12. Then covering octahedral void. The third one is not same as either second or first, but fourth is similar to first. So the pattern is ABC structure, cubic close packed CCP. That is both HCP and CCP otherwise known as FCC. Coordination number is 12. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please hit on like and subscribe Nanjil Chemistry channel. Thank you for watching.